Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with tropical deserts. As you all have done temperate grasslands and temperate desert lands, now we are going to discuss about tropical deserts. Tropical desert is found in the world. It is shown over here with the red color. We are going to discuss about Asia's tropical deserts. They are found around Saudi Arabia, western part of India. They are concentrated in Saudi Arabia and western part of India. There is a Thar desert, some parts of Pakistan and little parts of Iran and Iraq. Today we are going to discuss about page number 83 till 85. The objective of the lesson is climate of Asia, factors affecting the climate of Asia, Asia climatic types. We have already discussed in that equatorial type, monsoon type, temperate grasslands and temperate desert. Today we will discuss the tropical desert type, Mediterranean type and China type. Before we start, let's discuss some cross questions. My first question is, name the type of climate experienced in Asia. Second, name any two important features of monsoon climate. Number 3, if you go to Indonesia, what type of clothes will you carry? Number 4, name the countries where temperate grassland is found. Number 5, what type of climate do we get in temperate grasslands? Number 6, what is the name given to the grasslands found in temperate region? Number 7, name the country where temperate desert is found. Number 8, name two animals that are found in temperate desert type of climate. Number 9, what is the other name of Gobi Desert? So children, these all are the cross questions which you should try to find out the answer and revise your previous topics which we have discussed. Now today our first topic is tropical desert type of climate. First I am going to give you some main points. Tropical desert is found on the tropics in the western margins of the continents. Extreme type of climate is experienced in desert type of climate. The rainfall is very scanty. The tropical desert is found in Saudi Arabia, western part of India and Pakistan. The vegetation found in the desert is cactus, small plants that grow with long roots. The most important animal in the desert is camel, known as the ship of desert. Now let's read about the climate, tropical desert type of climate, and we are going to read about climate. The annual rainfall is scanty and occurs in such areas. Humidity is low. Hot summers and cold winters are experienced in this region. In short, extreme climate is experienced in these regions. Cloudless sky. Diurnal means during the day, and annual range of temperature is high. Day and night temperature is also high, and annual range of temperature is also high. The difference between day and night temperature is higher than the temperature between summers and winters. When there is no differences in the summer and winter temperatures, but the days and night temperatures, there is a lot of difference. Like the days are very hot and nights are quite cool. Daily temperature difference is higher than annual temperature differences. Now we are going to see which are the areas where tropical desert is found. Tropical desert is found around Saudi Arabia, parts of Pakistan and India, Thar Desert, and some parts of Iran and Iraq. So these are the areas where tropical desert is found in Asia. Now the regions. The Arabian Desert in Saudi Arabia and the Thar Desert in India and Pakistan are the main areas that experience this climate. Now, if we are talking about the natural vegetation over here, the natural vegetation in this area is like different types of cactus are found, small trees are found, acacias are found, babool and kikar is found, which are thorny plants and which can bear the harsh summer. These are all depicting the desert plants which are grown over here in the deserts. Now let's read about the natural vegetation. Due to hot and dry climate, vegetation in these areas is very little and plants do not easily grow here. The plants like cacti grow in this climate. Their leaves are modified into spines. They have small leaves or they have spines to prevent the loss of water. They have thorny bushes and shrubs. Many plants that grow here have roots that spread far and wide below the ground to reach to the water level so that they can get the water from the interior of the earth. Now children, this is a picture of showing the oasis, which is an important point in the deserts we find. Oasis is a place where the groundwater comes up and it is covered with palm trees. So this is an oasis, and the other picture is depicting the palm trees along the small bushes in the desert. Now let's read again. Wildlife. Asses, horses, camels, scorpions, gazelles, mules, lizards, etc. are mainly found in the desert or in here. Camel is the most important animal found in these regions. They often referred to as the ship of the desert because of their ability to carry people and load across the desert, and camels are used for desert transportation also. And one thing more is there that the camels can stay without water for long days. Like a point is given in your book on the top that dromedary is an Arabian camel. Its hump can store up to 36 kg of fat. This is a fat factor for the camels. So this is, you can see the caravan, the sand dunes, which are very common in deserts, and the down picture is showing how people are moving from one place to another in groups. They always move from one place to another in groups so that they don't lose their way. Again, a picture is showing same. Now we are going to see what is the difference between the tropical desert type of climate and temperate desert type of climate. First, we are going to read about the tropical desert type of climate. Having the influence of trade winds, this type of climate is found on the western margins of the region. I have already discussed that tropical deserts are found on the western margins of the tropics, and they are being influenced by the trade winds. Trade winds move from east to west. These winds are responsible for heavy rainfall in the eastern margins, and dryness in the western part, as by the time they reach there, clouds shed most of their moisture on their way. This is one of the major reasons that why the tropical deserts are found in the western parts, because trade winds influence this part and they give heavy rainfall in the eastern parts, and western parts are drier. Second point, in winters the tropical deserts are warmer than temperate deserts. This is due to the reason that they are located on lower latitudes. Means their winter temperature is warmer than the temperate region deserts. Now we are going to read about the temperate desert type of climate. Due to westerlies, the western margin receives plenty of rainfall, but the eastern margins remain dry as most of the moisture is set on the western parts. Now, temperate deserts are found again on the western margins, but they are being influenced by the westerlies, the winds which move from west to east. By the time they reach to these parts, they are dry and they don't give any rainfall. Second point is these regions are colder in winter than tropical deserts because they are located on higher latitudes. As they are located on higher latitudes, so they are colder than the tropical desert. This is two important point factors which makes the difference between the tropical and the temperate climate. Now we are going to discuss about the Mediterranean type of climate. Mediterranean type of climate is found around the Mediterranean Sea. Now this is a picture showing where the Mediterranean type of climate is found. Mediterranean type of climate is found in Asia around Mediterranean Sea. You can see over here. Mainly the countries are Turkey, Syria, and Lebanon. When we will discuss, I'll show you this on the map. Today our second topic is Mediterranean type of climate. Mediterranean type of climate is found around Mediterranean Sea. Here the climate is hot summers and wet winters and moderate rainfall. Mediterranean type of climate is found in Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, and Jordan. All these are Western Asian countries. The plants of this region can survive dry summers. The Mediterranean region is famous for citric fruits like grapes, lemons, and olives, etc. The animals' life is very limited over here as the sheep and goats are found over here. Now, this picture is showing you where the Mediterranean type of climate is found in Asia. Mediterranean type of climate is found in Asia in this part. This is Turkey, this is Syria, this is Lebanon, this is Jordan. These are the four countries where the Mediterranean type of climate is found in Asia. Now let's read about the climate. Mediterranean type of climate. Hot summers and wet winters are experienced in this type of climate. Rainfall is moderate and occurs only in winters in form of short, heavy showers because they are coming under the westerlies, and that is the reason that they get rainfall in winters and their summers are dry. Regions. Mediterranean type of climate is mostly found in Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Jordan, and Israel. These are the countries I have shown you in the map. Now children, we are going to discuss about the natural vegetation of Mediterranean type of climate. Here you can see some of the pictures. These pictures show the different types of vegetation found in Mediterranean type of climate. Like these all are the scrublands which are found on the coastal areas or near to the seas. Now these are some of the trees which are found over there. Like this is an orange tree. This is an olive tree. This is an walnut tree, and these are chestnut which grow in Mediterranean region. These are the main vegetation which is grown in Mediterranean region. Now this you can see, this is a chestnut tree. Now natural vegetation. The plants of this region have long roots and waxy leaves and thick spongy bark so that they could survive in the dry and adverse conditions, because as you all know that the rainfall is in winters in the Mediterranean region and summers are dry, so the vegetation which is found over there having spongy barks and thick leaves to live in the harsh conditions, so that they could survive in the dry and adverse conditions. The plants like laurel and acacia are found here. Some fruit trees like chestnut I have shown you, oak I have shown you, walnut and olive also grow here. Scrubland that consist of scrub vegetation are common in this dry area. Scrubland also I have shown you in the previous picture, particularly along the shore. Here salt is found in water and soil. In this region, Scophyllae annual plants are grown. These are woody plants with evergreen, leathery leaves to reduce the water losses. They have woody skin and they have long roots, and these are the evergreen trees which can survive in the harsh summers. Now children, this is a picture of chestnut tree. These are the chestnut. It is a type of nut which is used for eating. Now this is olive. Olive is used for making so many things, and mainly olive is you extracted for using olive oil. Like nowadays people are using olive oil at their places. This is olive from where the oil is being extracted. Now we are going to discuss about the wildlife. Due to the removal of forest from this area, wildlife is limited here. Lizards, wild asses, sheep, vulture, horses and goats are found here. These all are the grass eating animals or plant eating animals which are found over here. Now you can see the picture of some foxes there. These are the important animals which are found in the Mediterranean region. This is the picture of wild ass which is found over there, which is a very common animal, and this is the picture of vulture. These are the important animals which are found in the Mediterranean region. This is a picture of walnut. Walnut means akhrout, which we all consume in the winter season. These are the raw walnuts, which is in green color, and these are the dry walnuts which we use. This is how it looks when it is on the trees. Now this is a scrubland which is found in the Mediterranean region. This is again olive tree. I have already described about olive tree with you. Now we are going to discuss about the China type of climate. China type of climate, as you can see, that it is found near on the eastern coast of China, in the North and South Korea and Japan. You can see from this map. This is a map of world which is showing the China type of climate, but as we are doing Asia, we are concentrating only on the parts where China type of climate is found. It is in the northeast of China, the South and North Korea and Japan, South Japan. In these regions, the China type of climate is found in Asia. Now our next topic is China type of climate. The China type of climate is found around eastern China. The climate over here is hot summers and mild winters. Moderate rainfall is experienced throughout the year. Occasional destructive storms are common over here because this is a transaction segment of the temperate and the tropical zone. So over here the destructive storms are common. The countries include in China type of climate are the central and the eastern China, southern Japan, North Korea and South Korea. Mixed forests similar to monsoon and coniferous forests are found over here. Some important trees found here are bamboo, mulberry, cubocho, etc. The wildlife of this region includes monkeys, deers and foxes, etc. Now children, I am going to show you on the map where the China type of climate is found in Asia. This is China, where China type of climate is found in this region. This is North and South Korea, where China type of climate is found. And this is the southern Japan, where the China type of climate is found in Asia. Now we are going to read about the points on climate. China type of climate, climate. The climate of this type has hot summers and mild winters, but the temperature in January falls below the freezing point due to the effect of the polar winds which comes from the north of Asia, and that makes the January as freezing in this part. Moderate rainfall is experienced throughout the year, but rainfall in summer is more than in winters due to its location in the trade wind belt. So it is moderate rainfall is experienced throughout the year, but Summers it is more because it is in the trade wind belt also, and which is influenced by the monsoon winds. The winds prevailing in this area are similar to the monsoon winds. Occasional destructive storms are common here. The temperature in summer varies from 20 degree to 30 degrees Celsius, but in winters it is 5 degrees to 15 degree Celsius. Being nearer to ocean, the climate has less extreme temperature. So the climate is cool also, climate is not extreme also, and sometimes it is being it is affected by the destructive storm also. So here the climate is mixed climate, you can say. Now we will discuss about the region which we have already shown on the map. Central and eastern China along with southern Japan, North Korea and South Korea are the regions experiencing this type of climate. Now we will discuss about the vegetation. Now the vegetation over here is mixed vegetation. Means over here in the higher reaches we get the coniferous forest, and in the lower latitudes we get the monsoon type of forest. So over here we get a mixed vegetation. Natural vegetation. Mixed forests are found here. The vegetation is similar to monsoon and coniferous forest. Normally this type of vegetation includes hardwood, broadleaf trees. These trees are deciduous. Deciduous means which shed their leaves once a year and shed their leaves once in a year. The high temperature and appropriate rain also suits to growth of evergreen trees. It is in the higher reaches of on the northern side of the China type of climate. Camphor, camellia, pines, cubocho, Mongolian, bamboo, mulberry, shrubs, oak, etc. are found here. Cubocho is known as it is an hardwood tree, and it is known as the axe breaker because it's so hard that sometimes the axe also breaks. With that they break the wood. Now this is the picture of cubocho. These are the logs of cubocho, and these are the fruits in the cubocho tree. So this is a picture of cubocho which is found over here. Now this is a mixed coniferous forest. You can see the maple trees are also found over here, and coniferous trees are also found over here. This is a type variety of flowers which grows over here during the time of summers, and in these flowers are known as camellia. These all are the different types of camellia which are grown over here. This is one of the important flower of China type of climate. Now this is a flower of China grass rose. These are called China rose, which in India these are known as hibiscus, but in China they are known as China rose, which are found in China type of climate in the eastern part of China. Now we will discuss about the wildlife. The wildlife of the region includes apes, monkeys, peahens, parrots, herons, cranes, peacocks, Virginia deer, bears, foxes, grey timber, squirrels, red squirrels, and they are known as chickadees, etc. They are found over here. So all the animals which can survive in cold and hot weather, they are found over here. Like you can see, monkeys are over here. Then we have got the deer. This is also monkey. This is a rabbit. This is a bear, which are found over here in the China type of climate. This is squirrel. The squirrel is known as the grey timber squirrel. This squirrel is known as grey timber squirrel, which is a speciality of the China type of climate. And these are mulberries, which we call in our own language shehtoot. which is found in the China type of climate. And on this mulberry trees only, silkworms are reared, and that is the reason China is one of the important countries for rearing of silkworms. Now, children, I hope you understood about the part which we have done. Now, please watch the links I have given over here so that you can get some more idea about this theme. Revise the part which we have done and do the exercises related to it given on page number 84 and 85 from the same Mediterranean and China type of region. Thank you very much. We will meet you soon again with the next climates type. Thank you.